And we certainly are going to be in a transition zone today, not necessarily all the way into fall, but certainly into some better weather as we've been hanging on to a pretty saturated setup from this past weekend. A lot of us had quite a bit of rainfall Saturday, Sunday, and even into yesterday. Now, I do expect the rain chance to stay limited today, especially across the southern tier of the state where this boundary is slowly going to be exiting. But for the rest of us, we're going to start to clear everything back out. So there will be some improvements already, even looking ahead later in the day today. Still mainly cloudy as it look like over downtown. We've had some areas with some low-lying cloud cover and would not be surprised if you live in kind of some more rural areas and you see some fog out there this morning. We're still hanging on to quite a bit of moisture in our atmosphere. We have an air temperature of 68 here in the city, a dew point temperature of 66. So that just goes to show you we are certainly still dealing with some excess moisture, especially out there this morning. But then as the day progresses, we will see the temperature climbing by noon up to 72. We'll go 76 by 2 o'clock this afternoon with a little bit more sunshine as the day progresses. Here's the thing, though. It does look like that cloud cover is going to win out for today, and that's going to keep that high temperature just a few degrees below average for this point in the season. Should be around 82, looking at a high near 80 here in the city. Same deal down in Shelbyville, and 79 for our friends over in Richmond today. So here are those morning clouds. This is our latest high resolution weather model that's going to take us over the next few hours. We'll pause here as we get closer to around 5 p.m. for that evening drive home. Again, noticing southern tier of the state, that stray pop-up chance going to be possible, but we'll call it around 20%. That means 80% of the state going to stay dry for today. And then beyond 5 p.m., notice that everything will start to clear back out. So as the day progresses, we're going to see a little bit more sunshine before that sun goes down officially at 8:08 today as your temperature falls back through the 70s this evening. Now overnight, going to get even cooler than what we're waking up to this morning. Many of us in the low 60s, perhaps some outlying spots in the upper 50s to start the day tomorrow. More sunshine, temperatures back where they should be. 82 for your forecast high on Wednesday. And while that does seem kind of hot, here's the deal. We're going to take the mugginess out of the air. Dew points will fall from the mid 60s to the low 60s tomorrow as that drier air mass continues to win out. And that's going to be the trend throughout the end of the week. High pressure builds in on Thursday. Same deal on Friday. So we're going to call it sunny skies through Friday. 84 for your high there. Even a little bit above average there as we wrap up the week. But here we go into the weekend. And hopefully you can get those outdoor plans in Friday because it does look like we'll have another stormy setup here, bringing rain back into the forecast both Saturday and Sunday.